Hello, dividend executives. It is Friday, so you already know we are trading options. We're reviewing our plays from last week, and we are looking to see which options are going to expire worthless. It was an absolutely brutal week for the stock market. We had massive pullbacks in a couple of our main stocks. For the day, we're down $843. For the week, we are down $3,400. For the month, we are flat. And 3 months, we're down $2,900. Year to date, we're up $11,000 or 18.56%. Well, you might wonder what happened this week. All of the tech stocks got absolutely wrecked. So let's take a look at the week for Apple. It is down $1.56. And obviously, I have over 100 shares. So that's a big decline there. The next one, Amazon, absolutely wrecked this week, down $15. Now, we did have the Fed CPI come out this week. They are holding the rates, but they do see a forecast in rates, one more rate hike, and then potentially no rate cuts in all of 2024. So the stock market took the news from Jerome Powell very bad, and 10% down for a company like Amazon is absolutely nuts. So that one hit us big. We have over 100 shares of that, so that pulled us. And then Tesla, this is the one that really got wrecked this week. Down $30 this week, or 11% in the past week. So as a Tesla investor, I'm used to this. This stock will swing up $30 and down $30. For the past month, it's still up $15. But boy, is it a ride. $30 in the past week. So we had a cover call out there. It's going to expire worthless. I don't even want to sell a new call today because the stock is down 3% or $8.50 a share, and it just continues to fall. So what do? Well, we buy in times like these, right? So let's look at what we bought this week. On the 20th, we bought a little bit of JEPQ. We bought 2 shares there. We closed out some calls earlier in the week because I saw the stock market dipping, and we just wanted to get out of those calls in case we had a rebound. Doesn't look like we rebounded much, but we still got out of them. So the covered call hedge worked great this week, and it added some premium to the account. We bought out of Amazon for $1, and that contract, and then we bought out of our Mara calls for $2. We bought 2 more shares of Tesla here, and this was actually earlier today. Tesla continues to fall. We picked that up at the 254 mark, and it's sitting right now at 247. So we don't love to see that, but we're just going to keep buying. We love the stocks that we're in, and we're going to keep adding, especially if you're on a dip. That means that our shares are literally on sale. So why not load up on some more? So that is where we're at with Tesla. Apple, we went in, we bought $100 worth of Apple, and that was in our Roth account, so we added to the position. And then Mara, I went in and bought 5 shares just as an odd lot here, and we picked those up at $9.10. Mara is currently trading at $8.77. So it just continues to get absolutely wrecked. So that's how the stock market goes sometimes. As long as at the end of the year we have more money than we started with, that's what keeps us going. And as you can see, we're up to over almost $11,000 still for the year, even with the big pullback like this. So we have $17 of buying power, and we need to make some moves. So where's Apple at? Well, Apple is at $175 right now. This call is $1 to buy back, and we got paid $16 for this. So we are going to roll this position out, and we will go towards next week. And I'm going to do the 182.5. So we're going to do the same exact call, $22 of premium, and we're going to get paid that right now. So we're going to roll that out. What that means is we're going to buy to close the old contract, and we're going to sell to open a new contract. We are right in between the bid and the ask of 0.21 and 0.23, so we should get a fill. But for now, we'll just leave that open. Next one on the docket is this Mara 9 put. This looks like it's going to get assigned today. Now, we do have some options here. I could go in here and I could roll this position, and I could look at the 8.5 for next week. Let's just look at that. That would still pay me a credit of $16. However, I do not want to roll this one because I'm okay getting the shares. I do have some Mara shares right now, and my cost is $11.44. So having some assigned at the 9 would be fantastic. And then what I'll do is I'll sell some calls on the next green day. Right now, Mara has another red day, and so no problem there. Here's my 267 call on Tesla. We were paid $230 in premium for this one. And yeah, as you can see, Tesla got absolutely wrecked this week, so we are in the green there. Now, one thing I could do is I could roll this position, and we could get right back into the call range, and I could sell the 267.5 again for $100. For me, I'm just going to let this expire worthless and hope for a rebound on Monday. I am a long-term investor in Tesla. This is how it goes sometimes, and so I'm just going to let that one expire worthless. We're going to take the W there. Massive W on the downside hedge. And just, that's what we do. We collect premiums each and every single week. And you can just see that my Apple option order just executed. So we do have the option open for next week on Apple. We are going to let Tesla expire, and I'll sell it probably on Monday or Tuesday. And then on Mara, I'm going to get assigned there, and we'll sell calls on the next screen day as well. You don't always have to make your plays on Fridays. A lot of the times I like to get my plays out on Fridays. But if the stock market isn't giving me what I'm looking for, then I am not going to worry about it. So that's what we're doing. So Amazon, again, got wrecked absolutely this week. We are pretty much flat for the day, so I'm just going to sell options on this one. This is already closed out, as we saw in the history, and I'm probably going to go up here towards the 0.2 delta where I like to sell my calls. So we're going to do the 0.2 delta, probably the 134, hope for a rebound this week. Would love to get in the money. That would be great for the account, but let's collect some premium in the meantime. If it continues to fall, then we've got a little bit of downside hedge. So bid ask, there you go. It just fell. I was going to say we're right at the bottom of the bid ask. So that's $45 of premium right there, and that hit the account directly. So Apple and Amazon are out for the week. Tesla we are waiting on. JEPQ we added to this week. And then Mara we are sitting down on the position there big time. But again, we sell calls and cash secure puts. So what you see here is only what the position is. It's not reflecting all the covered calls income that we get. But the great thing is now our buying power is up to 84. So if we see any dips or when I sell calls on Monday, I might go in and I might buy some more shares, especially if we were down at these lower prices. So that's what I got for the week. Just as an investor, remember, this is a long game. There's ebbs and flows in the market. Stocks are going to go up. Stocks are going to go down. This is why it's so important to pick companies you believe in. Just because of the prices this week or last week or even a year from now, I'm going to continue to believe in Apple, Amazon, Tesla, QQQ, which is JEPQ or the NASDAQ 100, and then Mara as my Bitcoin mining play on a small percentage of my portfolio. Right now, this is sitting at 2.63. When I get assigned, we'll probably be closer to 5. So small percent of the portfolio there. But yeah, pick companies you believe in that you want to own long term. And if they go on sell, then you continue to buy more. And you saw this week we bought more of JEPQ, we bought more of Mara, we bought more of Tesla, and we bought more of Apple. So buy what's on sale, and we control what we can control. So that's where we're sitting at for the week. $3,800 of contributions for the year into the Roth IRA. And we are right back around that $70,000 figure. So hopefully we get a nice rebound the next week. We sell some calls into it, and we live and learn. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to like. Thank you for the support as always, and we'll catch you next week. Happy investing. We'll see you later.